Hi, I'm Scott Kelby, and if you've ever wondered what it's like being a KelbyOne member, I'm going to take you behind the scenes and let you see the whole thing. We're going to go and show you all the different stuff that you can do, and I think you're going to be amazed when you see, I think you're going to be shocked when you see how much that we have for our members. It is pretty insane, but you've probably never seen it because you can't get behind that wall. Well, I'm going to take you there. Not only am I going to take you and show you all the cool stuff that you get as a KelbyOne member, but we're going to take a tour of the KelbyOne studios here, and I'm going to show you all the different sets and everything you're going to see behind the scenes. It's going to be a whole lot of fun, and you're going to learn an awful lot, or you're going to have an amazing deal for you. If you watch it all and you go, man, that does look amazing, I want to be a part of that, we want you to be a part of it, but you got to come and take the demo and you'll see what it's all about. Go register right now, and I'll see you online at the tour.